Today, I'm going to make you some Turkish pasta. We break our half pack of pasta in half. 2 teaspoons meatball seasoning. 1 teaspoon chili pepper. 1 clove garlic and 1 teaspoon salt. We add about 1 liter of water to our pot. We added 1 teaspoon of salt. We add 3 tablespoons of oil and bring it to a boil. Now, after our water has boiled to the boiling point, we add our pasta broken into 2 or 3 pieces. Very good. We mix our pasta well. We don't close the lid to prevent overflow. Yes, why do we add oil? Our pasta doesn't stick. Yes, our pasta takes about 7 or 8 minutes. After it is cooked, we add the spices. As you can see, our pasta is grainy. No adhesion whatsoever. Yes, you see, it's separating wire by wire, which means the pasta has a good consistency. Our pasta will not be too soft. It will remain slightly one freshness. Think ravioli hard. At this stage, we add the spices as you can see. As I've told you before, 2 teaspoons of meatball seasoning, 1 teaspoon chili pepper, 1 garlic clove. According to your own taste, you can omit the chili pepper if you like, if you don't like pain. Especially if you have a small child at home. If he likes this, you may not add chili pepper. We add the spices and mix well. And boil until the water is absorbed. Yes, as you can see, we have a small amount of water down there. We cook it in its own juice. We definitely do not strain it. Yes, the smell is very good right now. Reducing or increasing the spice is completely up to your taste. You can make more garlic or you can reduce it. But the specialty is meatball seasoning and garlic. Cook until the water is absorbed. Our pasta has completely absorbed the water and has become grainy because it stays in its own juice and its own flavor. You can eat it with garlic yogurt. Subscribe to my channel for Turkish recipes like this one.